Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Blender Art, and today what we are going to do, we are going to discuss about the Wildcat test assignment, that how can you successfully give the Wildcat test to CGTrader assigned to you. So for that, what you're going to do, you need to go to the cgtrader.com, and at the bottom you can see there is option called freelance with us. If you click on it, you can see there may be two options, active modeling task and available modeling task. For now, I have one active modeling task just because I have accepted and click on the tech test. This task was previously here. So whenever you click here on the task, you'll see on the right hand top there is option called tech test, and at the same time you can see lots of their requirements for the test. The same requirements will be available whenever you click on tech test, and the tech will be active on the active modeling task or any if you have any other tasks. So if you click on the active modeling task, there are some important requirements that you need to follow, and for me this is the fixing task. They have clearly told me this is not the modeling task, this is the fixing task. And from here you can see there are some more requirements like 1 unit equal to 1 meter. You need to follow this unit for 3ds Max and Blender. And also I'd like to say that uh, you need to download the Kodama plugin for 3ds Max and Blender if you want to auto check your model that it is ready to publish on website, or send it to someone else or not. So yeah, we'll cover this after the active task. We can go through it first. So yeah, deliverables should be made in .fpx binary, and the fpx version should be 7.1 or 2011 or newer recent ones. Texture format, all of the texture should be in JPEG format, JPG format, and all of the submission file which we are going to submit here in progress, we are going to submit after completing our test. So this these all files should be, which we have prepared with, the all files should be in same folder, and make sure the file should have a flat file structure, like there is no subfolder inside that. The zip file has uh, directly access to texture, models and all. Understood? And for geometry, the pivot position to be 0, 0, 0, and origin above the grid. These all things, I hope. And transformation should be reset or frozen. There should be no animation on it for the modeling and these tasks. Naming convention, you need to follow, like geometry name, material name, and texture type. For the texture naming, you need to follow like this. If your material name has base, then base is the main name of the file, then this, and then material with the base name, this here, and base color, which is metallic, roughness and all. So here we have the example, and these are the metallic, roughness, normal, and opacity. Normally Blender users don't use opacity maps, there is no issue of that. So material naming, so these are the texture naming inside the uh, what we can say, the texture which we are going to use to export in the folder. These are the name for that textures. And for the material which is present inside your 3D file like Blender or 3ds Max, there is a material name. That material name we need to follow is the mat underscore the geometry name. Geometry name is this one, correct? So now geometry name must contain one word, and this. So it is in ASCII, means S says American Standard American Standard Conversion Information Exchange. I think this is the full form of this name. So it means there is no special characters are allowed, only hyphen underscore and alphabets, capital and small, something like this. Detail, there is no detailed description. So now we are going to the Kodama plugin. You need to click here for more, and here you can see there is two options. Two options means these two are for 3ds Max and this is for Blender. So whenever you click on Blender, the file will automatically start downloaded from here. And yeah, now we can go to Blender. So here in Blender, what we can see, there is option of preferences, and from here in preferences you can install from your disk, and you can locate the file wherever your file is downloaded, and you can double click on it and it will automatically appear here in the Blender. So Kodama, yeah. So from here you can click on it, and it might auto click whenever you install this plugin. So it is appear right here in Kodama. You can launch Kodama from here. And yeah, let me tell you, this is the name for the Kodama plugin, and this is our project name which we are going to follow. So in our case, our project name is this. Sorry, in our case, our project name is this one. So I'm copying it. Now I'm I'm here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save it. I already saved it as, but I am going to rename it. Control V or dot plant. So I'm going to rename it. So yes, now yeah, before you saw this pop-up, there might be some options like logging into the Kodama plugin, on which you can use your email ID and password, and also you can use your browser to log in into the Kodama plugin. So for now, if you can see, save as, so I am getting this error. This error I am getting. So what I did, I automatically clicked on pegged resources. But first, we are going to clean our Blender file. If you already set up something else, so in images, we need to delete this ctexr render result. I think the file is clean right now. Yes. So now what we are going to do, we are going to use this Kodama plugin to check our model and the topology, and it will go something like 25 of several checks that our model is ready to publish or it or not. So this will cover in the next part. So yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel also. We are continuing to the next part. Hope you like this tutorials.